The revised application documents for Tesla Giga Berlin will be public starting on Friday, June 18. The documents will also be available online. Objections against the changes of Giga Berlin will be possible until August 16. That's 2 months, friends. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armin Harayan from TalkNews.com. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to our channel and give us thumbs up, share in social media. We would greatly appreciate that, please. So, Brandenburg State Office for Environment has confirmed Tesla's decision to add a battery plant to the Giga Berlin plans will necessitate a second public review and possibly a public hearing, and Tesla Giga Berlin needs to undergo another public review, rules State Office for Environment. Tinsai Aregai from Torque News Tesla reporter has the details, saying, in a previous report we discussed comments from Brandenburg State Prime Minister suggesting Tesla might need to undergo another public hearing for Giga Berlin before the electric vehicle maker is given the final permit that will allow it to start volume production. This is expected to cause a minor delay. However, in the meantime, Tesla is planning to ship made in China Model Y for customers in Europe who can't wait to get their hands on the all-electric crossover. Now, the delay is about to be 2 months, like I read in Twitter under Thomas, who has been providing the Tesla Giga Berlin information daily. Someone asked him, so 2 months complaint period? He said, yes, sadly, that was the case the last time. The objection period ends 1 month after the interpretation period. And he says, legally, there is no other way to do that otherwise. So the reason for the additional hearing is Tesla amended the Giga Berlin's plans to add a battery manufacturing plant at the site. The battery factory, when completed, will be the largest cell factory in the world. For the initial phase, Tesla plans to have a production capacity of 100 gigawatt hour per year. However, in the second phase, Tesla plans to grow this number to 250 to 300 gigawatt hour. This number is enough for 2.5 to 3 million vehicles per year. Cathy Wood and her ARK Invest believe Tesla can produce 5 to 10 million vehicles a year by 2025. Do you think this is too optimistic, or do you think within 4 years Tesla can reach from 500,000 to 5 to 10 million vehicles a year by 2025? And now, according to the Brandenburg State Office for Environment, the magnitude of changes to Giga Berlin are big enough to the plans will need to undergo a second public showing, and Tesla has to wait for another 2 months. Tesla's complete environmental assessment application will initially be displayed online and in 4 different offices starting this Friday, June 18. The documents in display for the public will include emission forecasts for air pollutants, odors and noise, the species protection expert report, the expert report on the Water Framework Directive, vibration and oscillation expert reports, and other expert reports and statements. Alex A. Voigt reports from Giga Berlin, saying Giga Berlin State Office for Environment confirms the public must be involved again in the construction of the Tesla factory in Grünheide. Time-wise, this is already priced in and no further delays are expected. A new public hearing will happen. And he also said the display of the documents in 4 different offices and the web will begin this Friday, June 18th. Following docs can be reviewed, and one of the quote says the complete application documents as well as emission forecasts for air pollutants, odors and noise, the species protection experts report. Now, friends, the documents will be available for the public to review for 4 weeks, and afterwards another 4 weeks are granted until August 16 to file complaints or questions. This is why I said 2 months. And depending on the objections brought up, the environmental agency will decide if the permit of Giga Berlin needs to undergo a public hearing where participants can voice their concerns. This process, however, will not stop construction at Tesla Giga Berlin, and Tesla can continue work as usual using the preliminary permits that the electric vehicle maker has already received. Initial deliveries of the Model Y produced at Giga Berlin are expected to begin by the end of this year, by the end of 2021. We will keep you posted if any new issues come up during this public hearing process. So this is why I'm asking you to subscribe to our channel and also ring the bell so you don't miss my next report on this. So what do you think, friends? Is the second public showing of Tesla's plans necessary, or do you think this is too much bureaucracy? Let me know your thoughts, please, in the comment section below. I think this is a good thing to do. This will also add to safety. You know, while I'm talking about this, Tesla wants to buy railroad tracks for electric car factory. Tesla is negotiating with the Deutsche Regionalism Ban about DRB, about the use of the trucks on the factory premises in Grünheide. The RBB found out about this Tuesday from the Deutsche Regionalism Ban Group, DRG. This owns the trucks, this group owns the railroad tracks that connect the plant to the public rail network. Freight trains have been delivering construction materials over the long unused industrial track that branches off the RE1 route between the stations of Erkner and Frankfurt to the Tesla site since construction of Giga Berlin began. As can be seen from the construction plans for the factory premises, Tesla is planning its own freight yard so that freight trains could deliver production materials to the factory. Finished Tesla vehicles are also to be transported away from the factory by freight trains. A traffic report on the Tesla settlement expects around 20 freight trains per day. About 20 trains per day from Tesla Giga Berlin. Deutsche Regionalism Ban GmbH is a private company that leases or buys old railroad trucks in Germany, including the trucks to the Tesla site at Giga Berlin. The company maintains the trucks so that they can be rented out or sold if necessary. Tesla has not yet commented on this. I reported this morning more about this, so you can see my previous report, which has more detailed information about Tesla's desire to buy this railroad truck. The Deutsche Regionalism Ban was founded in 1993. It's relatively new, by the Deutsche Bankundenverband, DBV, but has since been spun off. According to the company, the route network is the second largest route network after Deutsche Bahn DB. It covers around 500 kilometers in Bavaria, Thuringia, Saxony-Anhalt, Brandenburg, and Lower Saxony. Well, friends, let me know what your thoughts are about all these developments, about Tesla's second hearing. As I said, this is Armen Harayan from tortnews.com. Please subscribe to our channel, as we're going to bring you more about Giga Berlin, and also ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. Give us thumbs up, please. That helps us tremendously, and share in social media. We would greatly appreciate that. God bless you. Peace be with all of you, and have a good day, friends.